Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing fresh, flexible palm fronds because pliability prevents tearing. Once chosen, cut 30-50 cm segments for manageable work. Next, trim the midrib edge so the leaves lie flat while leaving 1 to 2 centimeters at the base to anchor the flower. Now fold the first petal units. Make 6 to 8 identical folded strips, pressing creases firmly so later petals align. As you work, keep the strips grouped so you can assemble petals consistently and avoid mismatch. You form each petal by folding a strip into a neat triangle and tucking the pointed tip into a small slit at the petal base so it locks. This prevents slipping without glue. Once done, place 6 petals into an inner ring, then add a second outer ring of about 12 overlapping petals, staggering seams to mimic natural bloom. Make sure to bind each completed ring with a thin palm fiber or thread tightly, but not so tight it crimps the petals. This keeps structure and allows gentle shaping of the bloom. You finish by shaping petals. Gently curl edges with a blunt tool or warm hands to create depth. Once satisfied, wrap the flower base with extra palm strip and knot securely, hiding raw ends for a clean look. If a petal splits or loosens, make a tiny stitch or bind with fine palm fiber to reinforce without adding bulk. Finally, inspect symmetry and trim any uneven tips. If leaves dry and stiffen, mist lightly and reshape, because slight moisture restores flexibility and prevents cracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.